All right, so I'm gonna check this this leak. Got a call for a leak, so I just brought just a little bit of tools. So they're saying it's leaking. I guess underneath the P-trap. Yeah, there's water there. So let's see if there's any of these nuts are loose. Well, this one's loose. Maybe that's what it is. All right, let's turn on the water. I don't see nothing there. Let's switch it to the other side. I guess that's all it was. Just this one was loose. We'll keep running it for a little bit. Any other leaks anywhere? Oh, this is dry. So I guess this was just loose here. How about this back nut? That back nut is tight. So this is tight. But this is dry under here. Let me fill up the water. They got a lot of dishes up here, so let me move some of this stuff here. So hold on. So we got this closet just for the food here. Don't see no leak. Wonder if it was just that one. Oh shit, it looks like the disposal's leaking. Oh damn, okay. Yep. Okay. So yeah, that's the disposal. All right, so let me give them a price to replace this disposal. I didn't come with one. I thought it was just gonna be one of these pipes, which this one was loose. But damn, that shit's leaking all. That's a lot of water leaking. All right, hold on. Let me give them a price for a disposal. Take some pictures for them as well. All right, so I got the new disposal. Gotta knock the inside out, so I'll replace it here. This is all the new stuff here. I had to get my other bag. So yeah, get started. Get my gloves out of here, put those on. All right, so I got the gloves. So what I'm gonna do is just take all the P-trap out, take all this out, just get going. I'll probably just reuse the pot that they got there. Alright, so I got it disconnected from here already, all the P-trap stuff, put it there. So I took this hose off, cut a slit to make it a little bit easier to get it off of here. I may have to reuse this one. I didn't bring my cutter, but I'm just going to take it off from here, go that way. Let's see what happens. Alright, easy peasy. Alright, so now this new one here, everything looks fairly the same. That's what I was trying to do, a plug and play. So just match it up with that one. Yeah, see, this bracket's the same, so I can just reuse it. Boom, there. Put this bad boy here. This one already comes with a cord, sweet. So this piece I don't need because it's already up there, so it's just gonna be. I'm gonna knock out the make sure you retrieve the piece. Okay. I'll walk you fast back, open up the so I will put the rubber gasket in. And everything else just keep the same. Alright, so this piece got the disposal. This piece is going to go in there. There you go. And this piece is what, in theory, is going to hold it up. So it has this little slit right here, right there. And then you have this piece. So make sure it goes in there. Okay, so it's in there. Now I should be able to put this piece there. See? Now it's gonna hold it in. See? Alright, so I already knocked out the piece in here. Don't forget that. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off this piece out the old one and put it here. So I already got the new gasket here. I'll reuse this one. I got the new screws here. So the only piece I'm gonna use is this bad boy right here. Alright, so now I'm gonna mount it up there and see what happens. Let's see how many tries I can get it on. Alright, let's see. First try, baby. There you go. Knock it in, make sure it's good. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna get all the P-trap stuff ready to go. Let's see. It's just all finger tight, finger tight. There you go. Make sure that's tight. Then I still got to do this hose here. So I'm gonna cut a little bit here because I did the slit right here. So give it a nice cut. Okay. So now tighten that up. Alright, so I cut it there. Here goes a little extra piece, so I still got enough room. So I just gotta tighten this up here. All this is tight. Clean up a little bit here. Got my lights there. So everything is tight. Yeah, so I'll just reuse this towel they left here and just clean here. So all this is tight here. Just need to tighten that one up there. So now plug it in, make sure it's off. Use the bottom one. Okay. So it's plugged in. Oh yeah, nice and quiet. Just make sure everything is clean. Let me move this over more. Alright, let's run the water. Alright. Just run it. See what happens. I appreciate y'all. God bless. Be safe. I'll just be here looking out for any leaks. Hopefully not. Get paid and go home. God bless.